I've been. All in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Okay, so hey y'all, I'm sorry about the weird angle. I haven't saw y'all forever, so I'll just give y'all a little rundown. I'm Dede / Destiny / Just Soleil. Most of y'all might know me from TikTok. You know, your girl is viral. The people's on my about that shadow work journal, but I'm just doing my job. I'm just doing my job. Please don't beat me up. And the rest of y'all just probably don't know me. But hey, how you doing? That's good. That's good. How the kids? That's good. That's good. How your mom? So I said, hey, okay, but yeah, y'all, I just took this little solo trip to Myrtle Beach. I ain't never been to Myrtle Beach. Everybody was calling the Dirty Myrtle, and I see why, y'all. This not giving vacation weather. For one, it's cloudy as fuck. Insert clips here. It's cloudy. Like, I was driving down here and I was expecting Miami. I was expecting palm trees. I was expecting city buildings, but I ain't seeing nowhere. Got our little Forever 21 necklaces. This little chain off a City Trend outfit. This dress came from the thrift store like $4. Got a little slit in it. I'm ashy as fuck, so I can't shoot the rest, but I'm gonna put on some gold heels with it. Hopefully wherever I go, I can take y'all with me because I don't want to go by myself. But okay, no storage. Bye-bye. Hold up, because I just had to get a little quick one with the flares. Still feeling already. But okay, yeah. See you later. See you later. I look good. Oh. Okay, y'all, I don't know where we going for real. Hold up. Okay, the tin roof, it say they don't close till 2 o'clock. 12 minutes away. So we're gonna go to them and we gonna see what it's hitting on. It's over there. Yup. And it looked kind of dead. Literally me pulling up, I got sleepy. But oh, that's dude. Damn. That ain't car sounding like that. Doesn't matter what bus, y'all. Fuck, man, forget what I said, but y'all, I don't know this giving. I'm kind of sleepy now. I just need to get some food. So I ain't gonna but to get out. I should have went to a strip club.
I recognize your fragrance.
Let's go.
You never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice.
Yo, I'm scared. That's not my steal. A lot of men was trying to talk to me, and I don't know, you guys. It makes me nervous. I'm out here scared and stuff. I don't know. So I'm gonna go to the strip club. You know, that's more my speed. That's somewhere I know. That's somewhere I'm comfortable. Plus I know they probably got some gas ass food, and they ain't got no food here. Talk to you later.
In here paying somebody fucking rent.
Coming up next song, Rich on the Annie's. We can island hop on fresh out of
Oh. This what? Oh, I'm sorry. They had a little people music, but it was still a vibe. I mean, this bitch leaning. You feel me? Like, let me get the rest of the money. I have no choice but to go back tomorrow now, cause I gotta give them the rest of the money on. I literally just woke up, ain't even brushed my teeth, wiped my ass, none of it. I wanted to give y'all a little tour of the facility. This is Bluegreen Vacations. This is the Harbor Lights Resorts. Harbor Lights. Oh my God, I almost fell in it. We finna go to House of Pancakes, not IHOP, but House of Pancakes. Change your clothes, get cute. Finna go have some mimosas. You ain't gotta have no money. Auntie got you. But just come on before we be late. Okay, so yeah, this the vibes. Super cute. I don't even know what time it is. Probably late as shit. Let me see. Then y'all, the little friend. Damn, did I tell you about the little friend I made last night at the strip club? I think I did. But anyway, y'all, he called me. I missed the call. It's 11:44. We finna go.
I really like your outfit so much. Can I search you up for some apple juice, orange, mimosa?
Yeah.
All right.
Boom, it's the menu. That's what I came for. This is what I'm doing. Okay, so y'all, everybody been telling me like my outfit, like today's gonna be a great day. When we leave here, I think we could go to Wonderworld. Kind of want to go shop. I don't know. We gonna see. Y'all hungry? I'm so rude. What y'all want to eat? Crab meat omelet. Oh, you bullshit. But you can get it. You can get it. Okay, so boom. And y'all see it. It says 7 minutes away. That's Boardway at the beach. I think that's like their little strip. I also think that's what Wonderworld said. Hold on, let me see. But you had me lying. Okay, see, yeah, Wonderworld say 9 minutes. So I think it's the same area. Okay, and I gotta save my shit, so I'll be back when they come back with my mimosa. This is not the cutest. Yeah. Yeah.
How's your mimosa?
I got y'all. I'll be back when my food come here. Okay, so y'all, the food, amazing. The food was amazing. Hold up. What it say? Y'all, I love International House of Pancakes, baby. They gave me the food for free. You gave it. Okay, but we better find something to do. Just put the seatbelt on. Put the seatbelt on.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over, tasted and call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase.
We just left the I just left the little sports break bar thing. I ain't bring y'all cause y'all was at the room asleep. It's hella people out here and they's looking at me.
Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop.
Good morning, cousins. How are y'all? How did y'all sleep? I know y'all did sleep fucking good. It's y'all fault we stayed in and ain't do nothing last night. Cause why y'all ain't wake me up? It's y'all fault. So it's a beautiful day today. Let me tell you that way. Beautiful day today. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. What we doing? I don't know. So what I'm finna do, I don't know if y'all wanna come with me, but I'm finna go sit by the pool. You remember the pool I showed y'all? Cause you can't stay nowhere and not see what they pool tonight. So I'm finna go see what they pool tonight. We probably ain't even gonna be there long for real. You know, just let me get my thoughts together and think of what we finna do. And I am so sorry. I'm sorry. Cause yeah, I knew y'all was gonna talk about me. Hold on, let me show you the fit. Is that good light? Nah, I don't think so. Let me turn it this way. See with that hand. This it. These vibes. Hold on, let me show y'all my shoes. Yeah. Let me show y'all before the people start coming. There's already some out here. This is the little lazy river back there. And then hold up, this one standing right now.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you